Hey everybody, what is going on? And I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can rent places and accommodation through Vrbo. And yeah, let's get right into it. Let me just skip, I'm not using any account. But yeah, once you have entered Vrbo, it is pretty much very similar to um, Airbnb. It is pretty much the same service, and it is quite useful if you're planning on trips and for finding cheap and affordable accommodation and housing. But yeah, without further ado, what you want to do is go and search for a location. Then let's say, for example, Timisoara. Click on the actual location, and then you will be provided with a list of places and accommodation which you will be able to rent out. To actually rent out an apartment, let's say this one here, just click on it, and then you will be able to check the availability. If you just go through it and make sure that it is up to your standards, then go to check availability for, let's say, one adult, then choose the check-in and check-out date. Let me, for example, choose 12th of November to the 19th of November. Then select these dates, and if it's available, you will be able to continue. It will tell you your price. Just click continue, and you will be able to book it with these 3 steps. You need to enter your contact information and your payment information. I won't be doing that, but you should know how to do that by yourself. And yeah, that's been about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.